Imagine standing in a vast desert decades ago. Nothing but endless golden dunes stretching to the horizon, the silence broken only by the wind. It was a place where time seemed to stand still, and the future felt as distant as the shimmering mirages on the sand. Now picture that very same spot today, surrounded by the world's tallest buildings, the constant hum of metros weaving through the city, and the vibrant energy of a global crossroads where East meets West. This is Dubai, a city that has transformed itself from a quiet, remote outpost into a global powerhouse, all within a single lifetime. Its skyline is a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. The change feels almost magical, but it was no illusion. It was the result of bold vision, relentless ambition, and the tireless work of thousands who believed in a dream. Dubai's leaders saw more than just sand. They saw a future where their city could become the center of the world, a beacon for progress and innovation. They built an economy on trade, tourism, and finance, not just oil. They welcomed new ideas and new people, creating a melting pot of cultures and opportunities. Dubai leapfrogged centuries of development, building world-class airports and massive ports before the demand even existed, always thinking ahead and preparing for a future others couldn't yet see. People from every corner of the globe came, drawn by opportunity, adventure, and the promise of a better life. Dubai became a city where dreams could take flight. In this journey, we'll explore how Dubai grew from a humble pearling village to a futuristic metropolis, weathering economic storms and forging new paths in technology, sustainability, and resilience. This is the real story of Dubai, a city that dared to dream bigger than anyone else and continues to inspire the world with its ambition. We'll start our story at the Dubai Creek, the lifeblood of the city before oil changed everything, where merchants and traders built the foundations of today's metropolis. Then we'll see how oil wealth became a tool for diversification, not a crutch, fueling investments in infrastructure, education, and innovation. We'll visit the iconic landmarks, the moments of crisis, and the groundbreaking innovations that have shaped Dubai's unique identity and global reputation. This is the untold story of a city that continues to reach for the sky, always striving to turn the impossible into reality. Before the skyscrapers and the glittering skyline that now define Dubai, Dubai was once a humble settlement nestled quietly along the winding Dubai Creek. The creek was a lifeline, a natural harbor for wooden dhows, a bustling marketplace where traders and fishermen gathered, and the very heart of the community, where daily life unfolded along its banks. Life revolved around the sea, with homes built from palm fronds and mud bricks, offering shelter from the desert sun and salty winds. Pearling was the main source of wealth. Divers risked their lives for oysters, spending long hours underwater, hoping for a single perfect pearl. These precious pearls connected Dubai to merchants from India, Persia, and beyond, making it a small but vital trading hub in the region. The Al Maktoum rulers made Dubai a free port, eliminating taxes and attracting merchants from across the region, turning the creek into a crossroads of commerce. This early business-friendly approach set the stage for Dubai's future as a center of opportunity and innovation. But the pearling industry collapsed in the 1930s when Japan invented cultured pearls, plunging Dubai into economic hardship and uncertainty. The lesson was clear: relying on one resource is risky, and the community felt the sting of lost livelihoods. This memory shaped Dubai's determination to diversify its economy, inspiring leaders to seek new paths forward. Fishing and small-scale trade kept the community afloat during tough times, providing hope and sustenance. But the city's leaders were already thinking bigger, envisioning a future that reached far beyond the creek. The seeds of Dubai's global ambitions were planted long before oil, rooted in resilience and vision. The city's resilience in the face of adversity would define its future, shaping Dubai into the remarkable city it is today. In 1966, oil was discovered offshore, a game-changer for Dubai, a city that had long relied on trade and pearl diving for its survival. This discovery marked a turning point, opening up new possibilities and hope for the future. The first oil exports in 1969 brought a flood of wealth, transforming the city almost overnight. But Dubai's leaders were acutely aware that their oil reserves were limited and would not last forever. Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum saw oil as a temporary gift, not a permanent solution. He understood that true prosperity would require looking beyond the oil fields. He used oil money as seed capital to build lasting prosperity, investing in projects that would benefit generations to come, not just short-term riches for the present. Massive infrastructure projects began, laying the foundation for a diversified economy. Roads, ports, and buildings rose from the desert, signaling a new era. Sheikh Rashid's vision was clear: invest in trade, logistics, and tourism to secure Dubai's future beyond oil. He wanted Dubai to become a crossroads of the world. His famous saying about camels and Land Rovers reflected his fear of complacency, reminding everyone that progress could easily be lost if they relied solely on oil. The oil was the spark, but the real fire was relentless ambition and strategic planning. It was the determination to build something enduring that truly set Dubai apart. Dubai's leaders invested every dollar to create something permanent, channeling resources into education, healthcare, and innovation. The city's transformation was driven by vision, not just resources. It was a testament to what could be achieved with foresight and bold leadership. Oil kick-started growth, but it was never the sole focus. The real story was about building a future that would outlast the oil itself. The goal: turn Dubai into a global hub for business and travel, connecting people and ideas from every corner of the world. The true foundation of Dubai's success was thinking beyond oil, embracing innovation and daring to dream bigger than anyone thought possible. With oil revenue, Sheikh Rashid launched bold projects that redefined Dubai. He dredged the Dubai Creek, allowing larger ships and boosting trade. Port Rashid and Dubai International Airport followed, connecting Dubai to the world by sea and air. The Jebel Ali port and free zone were game changers, offering foreign companies 100% ownership and zero taxes. These moves attracted thousands of businesses and created jobs, diversifying the economy. Dubai became a global crossroads for trade, transport, and tourism. The city's growth became self-sustaining. More trade meant more flights, more visitors, and more development. The skyline filled with cranes and new buildings, symbols of relentless progress. Infrastructure was financed by oil but designed to outlast it. Dubai's ports, airport, and free zones formed the pillars of its new economy. The city's strategy: build it, and the world will come. This cycle of growth turned Dubai into a powerhouse. In the 21st century, Dubai set out to create global icons, not just infrastructure. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum wanted landmarks that would put Dubai on the world map. The Burj Al Arab, a sail-shaped hotel, became a symbol of luxury and ambition. Then came the Palm Jumeirah, an artificial island reshaping the coastline. The Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, declared Dubai's arrival on the global stage. These mega projects were economic engines, attracting millions of tourists and global businesses. Free zones like Dubai Media City and Internet City drew tech giants and media powerhouses. Dubai's skyline became a gallery of architectural marvels, each a testament to big dreams. The city's motto: if it can be imagined, it can be built. Dubai's icons fueled its rise as the Middle East's leading business and tourism hub. The 2008 global financial crisis hit Dubai hard. Real estate crashed, projects stalled, and debt mounted. For a moment, the Dubai dream seemed in jeopardy. Abu Dhabi's $10 billion bailout stabilized the city, but it was a humbling wake-up call. Dubai's leaders realized the need for a more resilient, sustainable economy. The era of growth at any cost was over. Dubai restructured debts, completed stalled projects, and refocused on trade, logistics, and tourism. The crisis exposed weaknesses, but also proved the strength of Dubai's core infrastructure. The city bounced back, with tourism and trade reaching new heights. The lesson: resilience and adaptability are as vital as ambition. Dubai emerged stronger, ready for the next challenge. After the financial crisis, Dubai set its sights on the future: technology, innovation, and sustainability. The goal: to be the smartest, not just the biggest city in the world. Dubai is investing in AI, blockchain, robotics, and autonomous transport. Ambitious projects like flying taxis and 3D printed buildings are underway. Sustainability is now central, with massive solar parks and green building standards. The Mohammed bin Rashid Solar Park aims for 75% clean energy by 2050. Expo 2020 showcased Dubai's commitment to global innovation and collaboration. District 2020, the Expo's legacy, is a new hub for technology and creativity. Dubai's new chapter is about building a resilient, intelligent, and sustainable city. The city is preparing for a future beyond oil, one built on knowledge and innovation. Dubai's success has a hidden side. Its rapid rise was built by migrant laborers facing tough conditions. Issues of low wages, long hours, and crowded housing persist, despite recent reforms. The kafala system has historically limited workers' rights, making them vulnerable. Addressing labor issues is crucial for Dubai's reputation and future. Environmental challenges are also significant. High energy use, desalination, and coastal development strain the ecosystem. Dubai's carbon footprint is among the world's highest. Balancing growth with environmental protection is a critical test. The city's leaders are taking steps, but more is needed for true equity and sustainability. Dubai's story is complex. Triumphs and challenges go hand in hand. A truly great city must be just, equitable, and sustainable for all. In 2025, Dubai remains a city in motion, constantly reinventing itself. Its journey from purling village to global powerhouse is a lesson in vision and determination. Dubai's openness to the world is its strength, but also a vulnerability. The city must adapt to global shocks, regional instability, and fierce competition. The next challenge, shifting from construction to knowledge, innovation, and sustainability. Can Dubai solve its labor and environmental issues? Can it build a true sense of community among its diverse population? The city's ambition is relentless, aiming for Mars, longevity, and more. Dubai's story is both inspiration and cautionary tale. It shows what bold leadership can achieve, but also the risks of rapid growth. As Dubai writes its next chapter, the world watches with fascination. What new wonders will rise from the desert, and what lessons will this city teach us about the future of urban life?